On today's video, we're going to be working on a garbage disposal. One of the things that I'm often asked in regards to the garbage disposal is oftentimes, eventually there'll be some type of odor that will come from the garbage disposal. Often what I do recommend, and I do have a video posted on my channel, is if you are dealing with an odor, you always want to locate the source of the odor. Usually the problem will be within the hose that connects to your air gap here at the bottom. And what happens is over time, especially when your dishwasher goes on the drain cycle, it'll shoot up through the air gap and then shoot the dirty debris, food deposits into your garbage disposal. And if the deposit is large, eventually it starts to accumulate here. You won't be able to see it from the inside when you look up top. So if that happens and you do have an odor or a smell that's coming from your garbage disposal and it's a constant continual odor, you do want to pull this hose and you want to inspect the hose, inspect the air gap connections as well to make sure that there's no rotted food on the inside of the pipe. This is a product that I usually recommend to prospects who do have that smell. Again, if I'm honest, in my analysis, this is a temporary solution. This will work probably for a few days, but if you don't go to the source of where the food is rotting, the smell is going to come back. But if you're looking for a quick relief, if you have people coming over, quick dinner, and the smell is just really just annoying or a nuisance to you, go ahead and use this product, and I'll show you how it works right now. If you read the instructions in the back, it says that you need to start with your garbage disposal turned off and empty. We did go ahead and inspect the inside. There is no debris, no food deposits on the inside. We are going to have to run some hot water. It says run a strong stream of hot water and let it run for about a minute. So the water heater has been running for about a minute. You can see the smoke. Right now I do have my temp done. And we're reading about 140 degrees, which is more than we need. The instructions also state not to run the water directly into the garbage disposal, so make sure you put it off to the side while you're doing this process. At this point, we are going to reduce the hot water stream to a pencil width trickle. Now here we have a packet that we took from the bag, and it also has the instructions here. It says with the disposer off and making sure that you have your water in a trickle the size of a pencil width, insert an unopened biodegradable packet completely into the disposer. So you're going to take the whole packet and you're going to insert it inside the garbage disposal just as it is. The package is biodegradable. Now we're going to turn on the garbage disposal and we should see some foam blue action cleaning and deodorizing the garbage disposal. Now I'm going to turn it on. On the instructions here, it says cleaning cycle is complete when cleaning foam entirely disappears from the disposer, which is approximately 1 to 2 minutes. The garbage disposal has been running for about a minute and a half. We're going to turn it off. Turn off hot water. Now, as I said, this product does work, but in my experience, it is a temporary solution if you do not find the actual source of the odor. Let me know what you think. If you've tried any other products, I know some people have told me that they've used orange peels and lemon peels. I've never used it, but let me know if that works. Leave it in the comment section. And this is going to be a big help to our community of people who give different advice as to what has and what has not worked. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.